Have you ever wondered how to create fun daily spreads with doodles? With just few simple steps, you can design eye-catching spreads that are both creative and enjoyable. Hi friends! I'm Ian DJ from Archer and Olive Ambassador Team and Raven Fox 13 on Instagram. Today, I'm excited to share how you can create simple yet charming doodles for your journal spreads using just your pens. I'll walk you through my thought process as I design doodled spread in my Archer and Olive notebooks. This beginner-friendly journey is all about adding a touch of fun to your spreads. So grab your pens and let's get creative with these playful doodles. The materials that we will be using today are Archer and Olive notebook, Archer and Olive calligraphs, fine liners, pencil and eraser. I've created a printable for you to practice the doodle tips featured in this vlog. You can use it as a guide or cut out the shapes to create stencils for your journal. Grab your calligraphs to add colors and textures to simple doodles or keep it classic in black and white. Remember, you can use my code RavenFox13 and get 10% off on your orders at Archer and Olive website. Let's kick off our doodle journey by practicing some fun and functional widgets. I'll be showing you examples here using the Archer and Olive notepad. These simple elements can help highlight the date, set the mood, or add personal touch to your pages. Start with the basic geometric shapes or colorful blobs as a base. Then, add details like the month, date, weather, or memorable moment from your day. Creating these mini spreads at the end of the day can be a fun way to unwind while also preserving your memories. You can go for a sleek, monochromatic look, embrace a full-color design, or use a limited color palette for a cohesive visual effect. If you're looking for a starting point, you can practice creating widgets using the printable I've provided in this blog. Another way to make your day even more interesting is by noticing patterns in your surroundings. Patterns can appear in the most unexpected places. On pavements, textile, wrappers, walls, trees, plants, the sky, your pet's fur, a table, or even small objects that catches your eye while walking. For example, I doodled a playful pattern from an ID lanyard and a charming floral design from a wet tissue package. Observing and recreating these patterns connects us to our surroundings through tactile or visual memory. You can also take quick snapshots throughout the day to use as references for your doodles later. One fun daily doodling activity is capturing the food you ate. To make the process easier, I've created simple stencils and patterns to help you design layout effortlessly. Use the glass and cup shapes to illustrate your beverages, and a bowl and plate stencils to plate your food doodles creatively. Remember, your drawings don't have to be realistic. Simple, stylized versions work just as well. You can also add notes, like the food's name, ingredients, or a quick review. Whether you keep it in monochrome or add pops of color, it's entirely up to you. Highlighting your doodles with colorful shapes can also add a fun touch to your spread. You can use my postcard or Polaroid template to capture a scene or memory from your day. Try doodling a place you visited, a street sign that caught your eye, or any moment you want to remember, all within a frame. Feel free to experiment with different shapes and templates as creative frames for your doodles. You can even sketch things from a dream and write about them in your journal. Let your imagination guide you. Make your doodle spread even more exciting by adding notes and lists around it. You can jot down your daily highs and challenges, a recipe you discovered in a magazine, or even interesting quotes and trivia you learned that day. Personally, I love doing quick research on everyday things and writing down fun facts. It's a great way to make your pages more meaningful and engaging. If you're starting a new notebook or journal, be sure to check out my other vlog filled with helpful tips and inspiration. I'm sure you'll enjoy reading it. I hope these easy doodle ideas have sparked your creativity. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned journaler, experimenting with these doodles in your new Archer and Olive notebooks can add a fun and personal touch to your pages. Don't be afraid to play with different styles, colors, and layout to make them your own. I'd love to see how you bring these ideas to life in your journal spreads. Feel free to share your creations and inspire others with your unique take on these doodle techniques. For even more inspiration, follow me on social media. Just search for RavenFox13 on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. If you create a page or two using the ideas I've shared here, don't forget to tag me and Archer and Olive. Add these hashtags AOShare and Archer and Olive so the community can easily find your posts. So, let's grab more notebooks to fill and share this vlog with your friends. Remember, you can use my code RavenFox13 for 10% off your orders at Archer and Olive. Stay inspired and doodle those worries away. Ciao!